Have you ever heard of the Great Molasses Flood of 1919 in Boston? Picture this, a quiet January afternoon suddenly shattered by a massive wave of molasses, a sticky tidal wave 25 feet high, surging through the streets at 35 miles per hour. The source? A colossal storage tank containing over 2.3 million gallons of the sweet substance had burst, sending a deadly deluge that would claim 21 lives and injure 150 more. Buildings were swept off their foundations, and the thick, syrupy mess made rescue efforts agonizingly slow. The smell of molasses lingered in the area for decades, a haunting reminder of one of history's most bizarre and tragic industrial disasters.